Welcome back, YouTube. Today we are in part 4 of the Garbage Pail Kids Food Fight Fat Pack openings that I had got from Target. Apparently, according to my math on the last one, there's a lot of cereal aisle stuff, so not going to be completing that set. Might go pick up some more Fat Packs, not exactly sure. We'll see if you guys like these or not. We got Blue Spew, Twin Keith, Hot Dog Dave, Squeeze Louise, Micro Wade, Kareem Filling, Perry Premium, No Meat Pete, Sugar Sheena, Booger Green Noodle Harriet. We have the Soiled Sam in the cereal aisle, Brainless Bert, the Purple Tater Todd, and the Green Fermented Frida. Buzzed Baron, Grated Grady, Refined Reggie, Fridge Frankie, Irritable Lowell, Cool Wit, Stuckin' Keith, Sick Vlad, Janet Planet, and Charred Chuck. Oh, we got the blank card again. Got it again. Finger Neil, Chomping Chad, Hydrate Tate, Barf Out Al, Grady Grapefruit, Alba Corey, Still Life Stan, Bart Face, Gummy Gunther, Buttercream Maxine, the Booger Green Starving Art, Purple, Sorry Charlie, and we have Snapped Sydney, and Sugary Crispin for the cereal aisle, Booger Green Peckish Pinky, Butchered Butch, Donut Hole Joel, Allergic Nick, Spilled Milt, Foot Cheese Charlie, Connor Sore, Bad Food Brad, Inflamed Colin, Pounded Parker. Alright, that's it for this one. Those were the cereal aisles. I think all of those are new. I think we got the A's and the B's to the ones that we didn't have. Nonetheless, we'll take those when we didn't have them. Always works out for the set. And we'll see you guys in the next video for part 5.